Uh-oh. Could this be working? There's a possibility I'm getting ready to make microwave popcorn without a microwave. Oh, but the paper is starting to already burn through. Yeah. But it does seem to be kind of working, doesn't it? We'll try with another bag. Hold on. Okay, so what I did was that I looked on the internet and it said that you can just go ahead and just like put some oil in a skillet and then like take the popcorn out of the bag and cook it that way and put it in the skillet with a little oil in it and heat it up. So that's what I'm gonna do. See, it is actually making some popcorn. So I'll come back in a couple minutes and see. Hopefully, we'll have some good stuff. Here it is. Let's look and see. Ooh, you get. Oh boy, look at that. You got some popcorn, baby. Damn. Okay. I think it's done. Cut this off. Wow. Look at that. Wow. It actually worked. There's some burnt stuff in there, so doesn't work like I wanted it to, but it will do for now. It will do for now until I can. Next time I'll just buy a bag of butter popcorn or cheese popcorn or something. Oh well, it's okay though. Alright, y'all. As always, be good to each other, y'all. Be careful out there. And I am out.